York, where the condenser fan wasn't running. Did an investigation, and that is what we're looking at. That's the hub up there, and the blade is down there. And the blade actually rotates and chop the shaft almost completely off. So we have to change the motor with the fan blade, because right now I think one of the fuses it's broken. So I did hold it out and not get it nothing out of it. So we have to get a new fuse, fan, and the blade. Here's what we're working on. Okay, I'm here up on the unit. This is what we're looking at. It's supposed to be right here. Yeah. That's the shaft. That's supposed to rotate. Yeah, so we're just gonna loosen the bracket and plug the electrical. If we can enter the electrical that's it for the electrical. So we're gonna open these, take that one out and get the new one, reinstall it, adjust the fan blade, put back the electrical, put the fuse in, and then test. So we're gonna need the new fuses and that motor. I just removed the motor right now, and I'm gonna go get the new motor with some fuses. Install it and give it a start up, and then let you guys